Hello students, welcome to Akadshala.
Today we are going to revise the chemical formulae, which is very important in chemistry.
But before starting today's session, it would be great if you like this video, share this video and subscribe to our channel Akadshala. This gives us a lot of motivation to keep creating these kind of videos for you all.
So, chemical formulae we are starting. So, the first one, like in your exam, if your teacher asks, write down the chemical formulae of the following. The first one your ma'am asks is magnesium phosphate. Let us write first on the screen. After writing this on your paper, then we will write down the symbols. Mg for magnesium, phosphate, PO4. Next step, valency. Magnesium valency +2, phosphate is -3, criss-cross, and then we will write down the final formulae of magnesium phosphate, that is Mg3, PO4 whole twice, because PO4 is a polyatomic ion, which I told you in my last video also, that it is always taken in brackets. So the final answer, the final chemical formula of magnesium phosphate is Mg3PO4 whole twice. So it's done. Let's take another one. That is silver nitrate. You can do it with me, children. You should always have paper and pen along with you whenever you are watching my video. You can do it with me also. So, let us see. Symbol of silver, Ag, nitrate, NO3, valency +1, nitrate -1, criss-cross. Let us see. Ag, 1, NO3, 1. I should not even write 1. So, the final becomes as AgNO3. That's all. This is final because you know it. That 1, if you write it or not, hardly makes a difference. So, the final chemical formula of silver nitrate is AgNO3. Let us go for another one. That is magnesium nitride. Children, I always tell you that before doing chemical formulae, you should know the valency, you should know the formula or the symbol. It's very important. These two things are very important to frame the chemical formulae. So, magnesium, symbol Mg, nitride is N, magnesium valency is +2, nitride is -3. Remember, children, criss-cross, it will frame out as Mg3N2. This is the final chemical formula of magnesium nitride. Let us go for another one. Calcium oxide, symbol Ca, oxide, that is oxygen, O, valency +2, oxygen, that is oxide, -2, criss-cross, CaO. Finished. This is your final chemical formula. Finished. Next, potassium sulfide, symbol potassium K, sulfide is S, valency is +1, Valency of sulfide is -2. Criss cross K2S. K2S. 1 we are not writing because it hardly makes a difference whether we write 1 or not. So this is the final answer, chemical formula of potassium sulfide. Let's go for another one. Aluminium oxide. Symbol aluminium Al. Oxide oxygen, that is O. Valency +3. Oxygen, that is oxide, -2. Criss cross. It will become Al2O3. Al2O3. Finished. It is so simple. It is not difficult, children, at all. So the last one is ammonium nitrate. Symbol formula of ammonium, that is NH4. Nitrate NO3. Valency +1. Nitrate -1. Criss cross. NH4 NO3. Finished. If we do not put 1, hardly makes a difference. So we write it as NH4 NO3. So children, this is all about chemical formulae. More practice we have done today. So please keep on practicing the chemical formulae on the daily basis. Make your habit to revise valency as well as symbols and the formula of polyatomic ions on the daily basis. Make a chart, place a chart in your room, and daily please revise just for 5 minutes and revise the chemical formulae on the daily basis, which is really very important, the root, the foundation of chemistry. Because with the help of chemical formula, you will place the chemical formula in the chemical equation. And when you place it in the chemical equation, you frame out the chemical reaction. And then you will also learn the balancing of the equation, which will really affect if the chemical formula is correct in the equation. If the chemical formula you have framed out is wrong and you write it wrong in the chemical equation, of course the chemical equation will be wrong. And if the chemical equation is wrong, then you cannot balance the chemical equation also. So that is the step. The next step will go wrong automatically because the initial step which you have taken is wrong. So please take care, children. This chemical formulae are very important in chemistry, which is the root foundation of chemistry. So please focus on it, which is really very important. So this is all for today, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.